Also we can find the value of tan 7.5 degree by using this technique, tan theta, that means sin theta by cos theta. Then we have to rationalize this denominator again. Therefore tan 7.5 degree will be equal to, that means of the form 2 sin a cos b, 2 cos a cos b.
Thank you for watching this video.
Number 3, cos 15 degree 1 minus tan square 7.5 degree 1 plus tan square 7.5 degree, using the value of cos 2 theta, which is equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. By componendo dividendo we get tan 7.5 degree is equal to 1 minus cos 15 degree by 1 plus cos 15 degree. Here positive sign is to be taken, therefore tan 7.5 degree will be equal to 1 minus cos 15 degree 1 plus cos 15 degree. Now we put the values of cos 15 degree. One minus 1 plus we have earlier deduced root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Now we simplify, it will be 2 root 2 minus root 3 minus 1, it will be 2 root 2 plus root 3 plus 1. Now sometimes it is required to find, or it is to be proved that tan 7.5 degree equal to root 6 minus root 4 minus root 3 plus root 2. For that we need to rationalize the denominator. If we rationalize the denominator step by step, then it will be 2 root 2 minus root 3 minus 1. Actually we are multiplying the numerator and denominator by this numerator, then it will be 2 root 2 whole square minus root 3 plus 1 whole square. Then we keep intact this one, 2 root 2 minus root 3 minus 1 whole square. It will be 8 minus 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3. On simplification, denominator will be 4 minus 2 root 3, 2 root 2 minus root 3 minus 1 whole square. Now the denominator is root 3 minus 1 whole square, 2 root 2 minus root 3 minus 1 whole square, from which we get tan 7.5 degree is equal to 2 root 2 minus root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Then we have to rationalize this denominator again. Therefore, tan 7.5 degree will be equal to, we multiply numerator and denominator by root 3 plus 1, 2 root 2 minus root 3 minus 1 root 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1, 2. Then let us multiply 2 root 6 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 3 minus root 3 minus 1 by 2. 2 root 6 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 3 then minus root 3 minus 1. Thus 2 root 6 then minus 2 root 3 then plus 2 root 2 minus 4 by 2. Then finally this is root 6 minus root 3 plus root 2 minus 2. We can express this as root 6 minus root 4 minus root 3 minus root 3 plus root 2. This is the good looking result actually of tan 7.5 degree, which is equal to root 6 minus root 4 minus root 3 plus root 2. Also we can find the value of tan 7.5 degree by using this technique. Tan theta, that means sin theta by cos theta, we multiply the numerator and denominator by 2 cos 7.5. That means sin 15 degree by 1 plus cos 15 degree. Also we can use another technique by multiplying the numerator and denominator by sin 7.5 degree. In that case, numerator will be 1 minus cos 15 degree, denominator will be sin 15 degree. Also there is another first alternative. This will be 1 minus cos 15 degree by sin 15 degree. Second alternative, and also this can be written as 2 sin 7.5 degree into cos 37 half degree 2 cos 7 half degree into cos 37 half degree. That means of the form 2 sin A cos B, 2 cos A cos B. Then it is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B by cos A plus B plus cos a minus k. That means tan 7 half degree is equal to sine 45 degree plus sine 30 degree by cos 45 degree plus cos 30 degree. In this, if we use this method it will be quite easier. 1 by root 2 plus half 1 by root 2 plus root 3 by 2. That means is equal to root 2 plus 1 by root 3 plus root 2. Now we rationalize this one. The denominator is rationalized by multiplying root 3 minus root 2. Root 6 plus root 3 minus 2 minus root 2. Actually the value will be root 6 minus root 4 plus root 3 minus root 2.